Every journey begins with a choice.
A place where learning feels alive, where every day brings new possibilities, new chances, and new ideas.
From classroom to conferences, from creativity to leadership, opportunities here shape the futures.
Beyond academics, college becomes a space to discover yourself.
The next chapter of your life could begin right here.
Government College for Women, MA Road, Srinagar, begin here.
Every journey towards a brighter future begins with one important step: admission. Here's a simple guide to help you through the admission process at Government College for Women, MA Road, Srinagar. Step 1. Registration. Begin your admission journey by registering online at www.jkadmissions.in. Step 2. Create your profile. Complete your profile by filling in your personal, academic, and contact details carefully. Upload the required information correctly, review everything once, and move ahead with confidence. Step 3. Choose your program. Under the program section, select Cluster University Srinagar and choose Government College for Women, MA Road, Srinagar as your college. Then select your preferred major program according to your interests and career goals. Step 4. Preview and submit. Before final submission, carefully review your application and make sure all details are accurate. Step 5. Online verification. After submission, your application will go through online verification. Keep checking the admission portal regularly for updates.